Hello guys, my name is Rohit and today I am going to review Content Gorilla 2.0. So, in this version of Content Gorilla, what is Gorilla is basically it is a software that converts videos into text format, video voice into text format that helps you to create more and easy content for your blogs or anything you want or the rated format of basically rated content. So let me give you a quick demonstration about the software. So first over here we can search any YouTube video or put an URL. For example, I want to search here like you want to write an or post an article about online money making. So just me put here online money making. See just and hit the search bar. See, there are many videos which have popped up. Now I can go to this video and see you can see this button create post. You have to just click it, and when you click it, basically now you can see this video uh, converted into or video voice converted into text. So it it can be a unique article for your websites and for your blog. It will really help you to create more and more content for your blogs or for like backlinks you create. It can also help you to create more and more backlinks, right? So that can also be helpful. See how like when you see this article you can improve it little bit, the words you can improve it, for an example, uh, I just go here, add punctuations. Let's wait for a little bit. See, congrats, punctuation has been added. Punctuation means the commas, the question marks and all these things has been automatically added. Basically it has been formatted. The article has been formatted in the punctuation. Now also you can directly spin the content from here. For example, you want to make, it is not that good like rewriter, spinner rewriter, but it is okay. It is obviously it is free with the software alone, that is okay. Now what you can do, you can come here to your sites, you can add up your sites here, right? Or also you can post like bulk schedules to your website. You can select from here, and article rewriter you can also use it at this article rewriter. For example, you have already have an article and you want to spin it for your backlinks or other blogs, you can also do it. So it is pretty a good software, uh, as the pricing is very low. It is available in one time offer, so pricing is very low. You can like buy it, and if you want to get some more bonuses from us, we have if you buy from my link, I have and special bonuses for you. You can check out in the description below. It is the bonuses are worth of $3,000, so you can basically check out that. Thank you guys. This was a quick overview of Content Gorilla